Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living. I hope you are doing well. Pinterest Affiliate Marketing to 024. In 2024, Pinterest Affiliate Marketing likely continues to be a viable strategy for monetizing content. To succeed, focus on creating visually appealing pins that lead to affiliate products. Use relevant keywords and hashtags. And engage with your audience too. Build trust and drive conversions. Keep abreast of Pinterest's algorithm changes and best practices to optimize your strategy. Let's dive deep into it. Pinterest affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on Pinterest and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your referral links. Here are some detailed steps to succeed in Pinterest affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and audience on Pinterest. To join affiliate programs, sign up for affiliate programs. Relevant to your niche, many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Commission Junction, and more. 3. Create compelling pins. Design visually appealing pins that showcase the affiliate products or services you're promoting. Use high-quality images, clear text overlays, and branding elements to grab users' attention. For optimized pin descriptions, write keyword-rich descriptions for your pins to improve their visibility in Pinterest search results. Include relevant hashtags and a call to action to encourage engagement. 5. Link pins to affiliate content. Ensure that each pin leads directly to the affiliate product or services landing page using your unique affiliate link. 6. Curate boards. Organize your pins into themed boards to make it easier for users to discover your content. Create boards around specific topics within your niche and populate them with related pins. 7. Engage with your audience. Actively engage with other users by repinning, liking, and commenting on their content. Build relationships with your audience too. Establish trust and credibility. 8. Track performance. Monitor the performance of your pins and affiliate links using Pinterest Analytics and your affiliate program's tracking tools. Identify which pins are driving the most clicks and conversions and adjust your strategy accordingly. 9. Comply with guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Pinterest's and affiliate programs' guidelines to ensure compliance. Avoid spammy or deceptive tactics that could result in account suspension or termination. 10. Stay updated. Keep abreast of changes in Pinterest's algorithm, trends in your niche, and new affiliate opportunities. Adapt your strategy to stay relevant and maximize your earning potential. Well, dear viewers, let's dig into more details. Certainly, let's delve deeper into Pinterest affiliate marketing with more specific details. 1. Pinterest affiliate programs. Explore Pinterest's approved affiliate networks such as ON, RewardStyle, and ShopStyle Collective. These networks curate affiliate programs from various brands and retailers, making it easier to find relevant products to promote. 2. Content strategy. Create a content calendar, outlining when and what type of content you'll be sharing. Develop a mix of pins, including product pins, lifestyle images, infographics, and how-to guides. Consider seasonal trends, holidays, and events when planning your content. 3. Keyword optimization. Research keywords relevant to your niche and incorporate them into your pin descriptions, board titles, and board descriptions. Use Pinterest's search bar to find popular keywords and phrases related to your niche. For visual branding, maintain a consistent visual style across your pins to build brand recognition. Use branded colors, fonts, and logos to make your pins stand out. 5. Pin design. Design eye-catching pins that are vertically oriented, ideally 2:3 aspect ratio to maximize visibility in users' feeds. Include clear and compelling calls to action on your pins to encourage clicks. 6. Affiliate disclosure. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently and conspicuously on your pins and website to comply with FTC guidelines. Use phrases like "this pin contains affiliate links," or "as an affiliate, I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases" to inform users. 7. Promotion strategies. Share your pins across other social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to drive traffic to your Pinterest profile. Collaborate with other Pinterest users, influencers, or bloggers in your niche to cross-promote each other's content. Utilize Pinterest ads to amplify the reach of your top-performing pins and target specific audience segments. 8. Analytics and tracking. Use Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins, boards, and overall profile. Monitor click-through rates, engagement metrics, and conversion rates to optimize your content strategy. Implement UTM parameters or tracking codes on your affiliate links to attribute sales or conversions back to specific pins or campaigns. 9. Continuous learning and optimization. Stay updated on Pinterest's algorithm changes, new features, and best practices by following official Pinterest resources and industry blogs. Experiment with different pin formats, strategies, and affiliate programs to identify what works best for your audience. Regularly review and refine your content based on performance, data, and user feedback. By paying attention to these detailed aspects of Pinterest affiliate marketing, you can develop a comprehensive strategy to effectively promote affiliate products and drive conversions on the platform. In conclusion, Pinterest affiliate marketing offers a lucrative opportunity to monetize your content through visually appealing pins and strategic promotion of affiliate products. By focusing on niche relevance, engaging content, and transparent disclosure, you can effectively leverage Pinterest to generate passive income, stay informed, stay creative, and enjoy the journey of earning through affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Well, dear viewers, thank you so much for watching us. That was all for today. If you liked this video, please still like it and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye.